Hitting a target with both eyes open is easy as pie, but can you quickly and accurately place your finger in the center of a coin or tube with one eye closed? You'll run into difficulties. What if you switch eyes and hands and repeat the actions? No, your finger often misses. The world has become flat, and distance is deceiving. With one eye, it's hard to accurately determine how far away an object is. The whole secret lies in binocular vision. Our eyes look at the world from different points. The brain receives two images and merges them into one three-dimensional picture. That's why we need 3D vision. It allows us to sense space without error. Do you think it's easy to get a coin into a glass if you guide your friend's hand while keeping one of your own eyes closed? We direct the hand closer or further, left or right, and then give the command throw. Oops, missed. We switch the closed eye and try again, and miss again. This task is quite difficult to perform with one eye. Without the help of the second eye, it's hard for the brain to accurately calculate the distance to the cup. This is where the secret of binocular vision lies. Try the experiment yourself and see that two eyes see more than it seems. Try this experiment, and your view of the world will never be the same. We'll need a ring mounted on a tall stand. Let's take a pencil, close one eye, and try to hit the center. Miss. Let's try again. And miss again. But at some point, there will be a hit. To make the task harder, you can reduce the diameter of the hole. So why is this so difficult? We weren't given two eyes for no reason. It's our superpower. When we look with one eye, the brain can't accurately determine distance. It sees the world as flat, like a drawing on paper. Two eyes allow us to see the world in 3 dimensions.